feel sad, I can't help it. Got you on my mind. I don't know how to cope this, because it's Christmas time and I need you around, darling.
So yeah, we're just checking up on baby. What's up, y'all? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Vlogmas. It's the day before Thanksgiving, and in order for me to be consistent with Vlogmas, I have to start early. So we're starting the day before Thanksgiving. I pray and I hope everyone is having an amazing day. Just gonna bring you guys along for the day. I'm headed to my doctor's appointment, y'all. We're going to check on baby. 23-week appointment. Y'all, I was watching a video this morning and I wanted to share this with you guys because she said, what's the point of living without living? Like, think about that. What is the point of living without living? What are you doing with this one life that you have? Y'all, we are in the home stretch of the year. You know how everyone is making New Year resolutions and, you know, setting your goals, your intentions for the new year. And I really want you to take some time, sit down and like start thinking about, how do you want your life to look? Are you truly living your life? Like, are you just living just to live, or are you living? You get what I'm saying? Are you catching what I'm throwing out? Are you catching what I'm throwing out? So I just wanted to drop that, and I just wanted to, you know, drop something for you to think about today. Are you living? Like, what's the point of living if you ain't living, baby? We do this thing one time. We get to live one time. Do the things that you want to do. Y'all know my brand, Fearless Belle. Do the things that you are afraid of doing. There's so much beauty in doing the things that you're afraid of. There's so much beauty. There's so many things that can come out of just stepping out of your comfort zone and doing a thing. Yeah, you may fail, but you may learn something. You are going to learn something in the midst of it. Anything that you do in life, whether you succeed, you fail, you're going to learn something, and knowledge is power, y'all. So get out and live, get out and try, do those things. Like, really, 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 really hold yourself accountable to the things that you say you want to do. Hold yourself accountable to the way you say you want your life to look. Like, come on, y'all, come on. But I hope you guys are having an amazing December so far. Oh, y'all, the traffic is trafficking out here. We're going to Georgia today. So we're actually thinking about leaving later tonight because, girl, I'm looking at this highway and baby, it looks backed up. So I'm gonna go in here, check on baby, and then we are going to go to Target. I have baby girl with me today. Summer girl and Skylar is at home with daddy. So yeah, girl, let's go check on this baby. Summer girl, you hear me talking to you. So we are back here waiting for the doctor to come in. It's just like my routine checkup. They're gonna listen to the heartbeat, probably ask questions, all the things, y'all know. Most of like the, you know, regular appointments be like the same. You just come in, listen to the heartbeat, they answer any questions you have, and that'd be pretty much it. So I think the next time I come, that's when I'm gonna have to do the glucose test. So that drink is actually not that bad to me. It's not bad at all. But my last appointment was the anatomy scan, so everything went good with that. So yeah, we're just checking up on baby. That's what we're looking like. Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that? Daughter's appointment went good. So she measured my belly today. This was the first time they measured my belly, I believe. Yeah, I forgot they do that. So now, like at the routine appointments, they're gonna be measuring my belly, ask if I'm feeling movement, and then what else she do? Oh, check the heartbeat, all of that. And let me tell y'all, this morning when I stretched my leg out, I remember this with both girls, y'all. I used to catch cramps in my legs, and this morning was the first morning since being pregnant that I caught a cramp in my leg. Girl, when I tell you that joint, but like I was stuck, okay, stuck. And now the back of my like calf has been sore all day long. So yeah, I'm like, girl, I'm gonna have to start eating me some mustard. That's what I used to do to like get rid of the cramp, like eat mustard. I forgot all the other remedies to like get rid of cramps. And bananas, I don't like bananas though. So yeah, that is what's going on. So we're getting ready to head into Target. I'm looking for a really cute dress or something to throw on to wear tomorrow, and maybe something for the girls if I can find something. Not too pressed about them because they got some stuff, but for me, I need something. Yeah, Target is having a really good sale. I have a cart full of stuff. I'm gonna go try this stuff on, but I walked over here so I can smell some of these EOS lotions, and the one that's like a dupe for what is it called? I can't remember the name of it, but they don't have it. This smells good though. You like this smell?
Girl, you keep trying to fall out. But you see all of these earrings?
Yeah, look, not the back's off.
I'm trying not, but them just keep trying to come off.
What y'all think? I like this jacket right here. Really cute. Really like cozy as well. I really like the black.
I see you, Mommy.
The black is nice.
His big square face.
I love the black. Okay, get it, girl.
I'm gonna read it. What a great idea.
I really like these pants, y'all. They fit really good. And I'm short, so they are dragging a little bit, but they're so soft. And they are stretchy. They are so soft. I think a sweatshirt actually matched this top, but they don't have the tops in black, but they have like a pink color, blue color, and like a cream. I really like the cream, but I really feel like that's gonna be getting dirty a lot. These feel so good. What do y'all think? This is cute. I was actually thinking about getting this for tomorrow for Thanksgiving, but I don't know. What do y'all think? It's cute. What shoes would I wear though?
No shoes. Did you want to be barefooted?
For real? This is so cute and like comfortable. It's so soft. So soft and so cute. I love the neck as well, like how it comes with the neck. I'm wearing a size extra small as well. I ended up getting that green two-piece sets out of Target because it was so cute. I'm actually going to look online and see if they have any other colors because I love the way it fits and it's so soft, y'all. It's so soft. So got that. Got Summer, not Summer, but Skylar this black jumpsuit. It was like 40% off. It was super cute. Thank y'all. Super cute. So it has a sweatshirt that's like this, and then the plain black joggers, but she loves like pullovers and things like that, like jogging pants, sweatpants.
Oh.
And my little fashionista back there, y'all, she loves wearing earrings, so we got her a big pack of earrings.
And
what?
And you know, I'm gonna wear the special ones tomorrow.
Yes, she's gonna wear the dangly ones right there at the bottom tomorrow. So
you guys know I love it.
yeah, she love it. I'm getting me some. What? I'm getting me some Chick-fil-A right now, and then we're gonna go to Burger King because Summer wants chicken nuggets from Burger King. Then we're going to the car wash, backing this car out. Then I'm going home. I'm gonna do my nails real quick.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No.
So I'm gonna put me some nails on.
Like your stamp. But you gotta change, Mommy. Mom, that's the time. Love you.
What?
They don't change you.
Listen to the laughter, yeah, everyone's home. 반짝이는 빛 속에 설레이는 이 밤. It's the night before Christmas, the night before Christmas. Children are singing joyful music fills the air. The love all around us, I can feel it everywhere.
Back home, and I am packing up some orders so I can get them shipped out before we leave out today. So my vinyl machine is going now, so it's printing out the vinyl so I can press the other sweatshirt. I pressed all the other ones that I had to pack up this morning, but I had one more that I needed to press. So I'm getting ready to do that. Take those to the post office. Well, Sean may drop those off for me, and then I'm gonna do my nails and then probably take me a nap, y'all. Probably take me a nap. Here's the two new sweatshirts. So we got this one right here. It says God had it before. No, God had it the last time and he has it this time. Love this. And then this is the other new one that dropped. So this goes up to 3X. This is a 3X right here. It says grow through it. Can you drop these off for me?
Yeah.
Just give me like 5 minutes. That's it. Here's another one. It's a sweatshirt. Loved. John 3:16. These are the nails I'm getting ready to put on. And I'm doing the quick method today because I don't feel like, you know, I just don't feel like doing the whole gel X process. But this glue right here, y'all, this is like super glue for your nails. Super glue for your nails. It, like, girl, if you want your nails to stay on, get this glue. I got it from Sally's, and it really makes me like, these nails right here are really good. And then I do an overlay of, I'm still going to do the overlay of the builder gel and then the top coat. But oh, these are definitely giving Thanksgiving vibes. But I'm not doing like the layer at the bottom. So I'm about to go ahead and apply these bad boys real quick. I keep forgetting I gotta pack, y'all. I have to pack. So I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna hold it down for like a good 30 seconds. I did rough up my nail bed just a little bit with the nail file. I have a link down below to these nails as well. I did a full tutorial like showing how to use the actual Gel X and everything that comes in a kit. That looks so good.
He said 1 plus, 1 plus first one is broccoli.
For real? I'm done with my nails. This is how they turn out. So pretty. So easy, y'all. Took me probably about 30-45 minutes. And I was on the phone too, so that kind of like slowed me down. But yeah, my nails are so pretty. I have a 10% off code as well if y'all order through the link that's in the bio. So yeah, girl, I am getting ready to go pack our bags really fast.
61. We don't have it like that kind of shake.
The vanilla shake is good.
Okay, I'll get the vanilla shake then.
You remember the vanilla shake that we had?
Okay, so that's a 6-piece mod. 6
They
piece
got the shake too.
mac and cheese bite. Correct?
Yes.
9-piece nugget meal. What's your sauce with it?
Can I get the Arby's sauce and then the barbecue sauce?
Alright, and that's with a vanilla shake with the 9-piece nugget meal, correct?
Yes.
Alright, and what was the barbecue, right?
Yeah, barbecue and then the Arby's sauce.
Okay, that's what you said, Arby's. Okay.
Did you get my medium fry?
Alright, can I get you anything else?
Yeah, what size fry does that come with?
It comes with a medium curly fry.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
You're absolutely welcome.
I
can get you to pull to the window for me.
Okay.
Thank you.
I wanted the sandwich and then I don't. They're gonna window, babe.
To the roof. Turn right, then turn left.
The way you just ordered like a nerd. Like you haven't ate all week.
I was just gonna try to get in. That's what you want some.
Yeah, I do want something. I want one of them turkey sandwiches. Sky, you going back to sleep? What's up, y'all? It's actually Thanksgiving because it's like right at midnight. So happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving 2024. We made it to Georgia. We're in Savannah, Georgia. And yeah, so I'm getting ready to call it a night, y'all. I'm getting ready to call it a night. I slept pretty much the entire way. We had to stop one time so I could use the bathroom. I didn't drink anything because I knew if I drank anything, I would have to use the bathroom. And I didn't want us to keep stopping. But the baby was like kicking my bladder. When I tell you, oh, like it was like poof, 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 just punches. I'm like, every time like she would kick my bladder, it would like make me have to use the bathroom more. So I think I probably didn't tell y'all the gender by now. So we just gonna go ahead and refer to my baby as what she is. My baby girl. Just your mama baby girl. Yeah, because I'm gonna put the gender reveal up Sunday. Yeah, so they having another little sister. What you want, baby? The internet? Okay, I'm gonna connect you in a second. Let's put in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That's the password. But alright, y'all. Get ready to call it a night. Get ready for tomorrow. Remember what I said in the beginning of this vlog. You get one life. Live it, okay? Live it, live it, live it, live it. Live it, live it, live it, live it, live it, live it, live it. Have an amazing day whenever you're watching this, because it's going to be the first day of Vlogtober. No, not Vlogtober. What am I on? Vlog. You said, she said Vlogtober. No, Vlogmas. Vlogmas. Let's see. Join the blue. And there you go. Alright. Good night.